I'm going to Hong Kong in like 2-3 weeks. I'm actually really happy. Anyway, it's almost 8:30 in the morning and we're gonna head out to do our PCR test, which is required to fly to Hong Kong. So I still have to pack everything. So yeah, let's head out and we'll see if I'm positive or negative. And back home, it was really quick. It kind of hurt a little bit, but it was fine. I think we're gonna like receive the results tonight because we have to have it like within 48 hours of flying to Hong Kong, but our direct flight. And we have a layover in Frankfurt in Germany, but I think if we receive it tonight, it's gonna be fine. Right now, I'm still figuring out my clothes. I need to pack my skincare, my makeup, accessories, shoes, bags, and then all of my electronics and documents. It's currently 10:30 and I think I'm almost done packing. I still need to pack like my electronics, but in terms of the big luggage, I'm all done. So I'm just gonna do the rest tomorrow. I think I'm putting like everything to charge. So it's the D-Day and it's currently 9 a.m. I woke up at 8. I showered, as you can see. I did a little matcha latte and I'm just finishing to pack all of my stuff and getting ready and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna vlog too much because that's quite stressful already. My body is really feeling it. But I'll update you guys when I'm all done. Okay guys, it's time. It's currently 10:46, so I'm already this is my outfit and I have all of my stuff ready. So I have the big luggage, the small one, a little backpack, and then my personal bag. I'm gonna leave now.
I don't think like that, she says to me.
So we made it to the airport. We went through security already and we checked in our big luggages, and mine was like 25.6 kilograms, which is a lot, but he let it through. He just said like, oh, for the return, just be careful with 23 kilograms. I just hope that, because the luggage that I have is very flimsy, hopefully it doesn't like break open. I have my finger crossed.
But still feel like a guest. And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. Maybe I'll just cry a little less. Tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering.
So we arrived in Frankfurt and now we have 5 hours to kill. So we're just walking around.
On other things, but I'm not
We already like went through the security like passport thing. And now I think this is only the Asia flight and there's like no one here. It's empty. So we just stopped to eat and I got cheese. And these are the like chopsticks.
Complicate, but simplicity surreal. It doesn't seem to me too big a deal.
So now we're going back to the gate to eat. We had to like go back and forth because everything is closed and there's like nothing. Even McDonald's is closed.
Teens to blame.
So tired. We just stopped at a cafe that is closed. Like there's no one, but there's really nice seats and charging spots.
That's how I feel today.
My dad is going to walk around, but there's like nothing. So as you can see, even the McDonald's is closed. So I just checked the seat map on like our next flight, and when I did the online check-in, I tried to like take separate seats so that we would have like entire rows, because there were quite a lot of vacant seats. But now there's only one vacant seat and there's like people next to us. Oh my god. I honestly doubt that the flight is full because there's still quarantine and stuff in Hong Kong. So I don't know. It's currently 9:10 and I think boarding time is in 10 minutes.
Sit by the bonfire, velvet that drapes over the sky. Talk under the stars, wonder what life be like on Mars. Watch her wide-eyed memories ignite. Hold her real tight. Whisper, my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night.
We finally landed in Hong Kong and now we have to queue up to like get the documents and the hotel quarantine and stuff like that. So we already did the COVID test. I think it's negative, but we'll have the results like later. And now we're gonna take the train to check the documentation and then we'll get our luggages, I think. That's quite a process. Finally done with everything, and we also got our luggages. It was already there when we arrived at the luggage claim.
Ignite, holds her real tight, whispers, my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me in the stars.
Hey guys, so I'm finally at the hotel. As you can see, I already showered because I felt really dirty, but it's almost 8 p.m. and we finally checked in. It's so freaking small. I'm gonna include a room tour on my next vlog. I just wanted to come on here and wrap up on my journey from Switzerland to Hong Kong because that was quite a journey. Honestly, I'm so exhausted right now. So we went from Geneva to Frankfurt where we had a layover. That was fine. I got a little bit sick because it was moving quite a lot and there were quite a lot of turbulence, but other than that, that was fine. Then we had a layover of 5 hours, which was quite a lot because the airport is huge, but there wasn't that many shops, so we couldn't really walk around or eat anything. So yeah, there wasn't much to do there, so it was really long. And then we took the flight from Germany to Hong Kong, and that flight was 12.5 hours. The flight went pretty smooth and it was full. I'm honestly kind of shocked because we still have quarantine to do, and I would say half of them were tourists. I ended up switching with my dad who had 2 seats so I could lay down, and that was great, but I was sleeping and then I woke up once. I went to the toilet and my pillow disappeared, and I'm not really sure if that was the girl sitting next to me that took it because she had 2. I'm not saying she did because I don't have proof, but it just disappeared. And I mean, it's not like we're on a hill and the pillow could roll down the hill or anything. But anyways, after that we arrived, and that took us so long from the landing to the bus shuttle. I think we spent 3 hours at the airport just in that time. In between we had to walk the entire airport. There was no one for some reason, but yeah, we ended up in a hotel. We already got food. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Hopefully it gives you an idea of what you need to do for if you want to travel to Hong Kong, but obviously check the informations because it always changes. For example, we were supposed to stay 7 nights here but ended up staying for 3 nights, which is great because the hotel room is so freaking small. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Keep an eye out for more Hong Kong vlogs, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.